This video will walk you through the initial unboxing of your DWX dental mill and will help you verify that all parts and accessories are present. Follow the on-box instructions when removing your DWX dental mill from the packaging. Remove the plastic inserts before removing the top cover. Remove the accessory box, foam packing, and plastic from your mill. Be sure to save all packing pieces from the container. Open the accessory box to verify all contents have been shipped. Your accessory box should contain a power cord, USB cable, 2 drain hoses, 3 milling burrs, an automatic correction jig, measuring cup, hexagonal screwdriver, hexagonal wrench, 4 mounting screws, a waterproof plate, detection pin, coolant tank fluid inlet cap, setup guide, a software disk, and a maintenance kit. Additional items that you will need to operate your mill include distilled water, coolant tank additive, a compressed air source, an air hose with a 6 mm diameter, a fluid receptacle for regulator drainage, and a chelating agent. With assistance, lift the mill from its container and place in a level and stable location that can bear the weight of the machine. Remove containers A, B, C, and D, making sure that all components in the mill are not damaged. Make sure that the bowl is securely attached to the regulator before attaching the air hose. Insert the hose firmly and give a light tug to make sure it does not come loose. Once the hose is attached, check around the connections to verify there are no leaks. Adjust the air pressure by first pulling up on the air pressure adjustment knob. Slowly turn the knob until the meter reads between 0.6 and 0.8 MPa. Connect the power cord to your DWX mill, but do not connect the mill to the computer using a USB at this time.